Good morning. The main indices managed to gallop towards the end following S&P's upgrade of India's rating outlook. The key indices might just be able to stretch the winning streak a little bit more today. But remember, all stocks need to participate on the stable outlook. We expect a positive but sedate start and a choppy session. Volumes may remain low as it has been seen lately. Select stocks will remain in the spotlight owing to the news flows. Reports mention chances of a dollar carry trade benefiting the Indian market, similar to the yen carry trade a couple of years ago. Cues from the global markets are neither spectacular nor weak. Concerns over Greece prevail amid lack of cohesion in the European Union. The nation may now resort to aid from the IMF. Worries over stringent new norms for Wall Street banks have ebbed even as the war of words persists between the US and China over yuan revaluation. Wall Street has had an indecisive session. The Dow rose for the 8th straight day while the S&P ended in the red. European stocks were weighed down by uncertainty over Greece. The Asian markets are trading mixed. Barring a few days, the market breadth has been generally negative even on days when the main indices have advanced. This is a cause for concern as in a low volume, shallow market there is always a chance that the market's gain may not actually reflect what is the reality. So don't get carried away if the Nifty breaches 5,300 and the Sensex surpasses the 18,000 mark. Apply your mind and do your homework before taking a plunge into any stock as valuations are not cheap. Though the key indices are nearing their previous 52-week high, bulls don't appear to be entirely convinced. This leaves the market vulnerable to fresh selling. US stocks fluctuated midway as investors welcomed reports that suggest pricing pressures remain mild and that jobless claims fell last week. The government has received applications from 8 telecom companies including Bharti Airtel, Reliance Communications, Tata Communication, Tata Teleservices, Vodafone SR, Etisalat DB, Ticona and Qualcomm to bid for 3G and broadband wireless access spectrum to be auctioned starting April 8th. To overcome delays on account of land acquisition problem in the launch of its 500 billion rupee steel project in Jharkhand, global steel giant ArcelorMittal is set to relocate its plant proposed in Khunti Gumla to Bokaro. The government is expected to give additional incentives while retailing the existing stimulus measures for the labor incentive export sector in 2010-2011. RBI could raise key interest rates ahead of its monetary policy review on 20th April if the price situation continues to deteriorate, a deputy governor of the Apex Bank said in the capital on Thursday. RBI said that it would come out with guidelines on new banking licenses in about 3 months. The sugar production in Karnataka is likely to increase 26.4%. Moving on to the recommendations. Havells India, we recommend traders to buy the stock between the range of Rs 558 to Rs 563 for a short-term target of Rs 590. It is advisable to maintain a stop loss at Rs 548. Bombay Tying, we recommend traders to buy the stock in the range of Rs 567 to Rs 573 with a stop loss of Rs 558 and a target at Rs 595 and Rs 600. Moving on to the derivative side, we have Long Hotel Leela Ventures March future at Rs 48.85 for a target price of Rs 53 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 48 for a lot size of 7,500. And Long KS Oil March future at Rs 68.30 for a target price of Rs 73 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 67 for a lot size of 5,900. Thank you and have a great day ahead.